It's been a bruising Monday for global markets, and Indian investors weren't spared. The Sensex crashed over 3,900 points, hitting 71,425, and the Nifty 50 slipped below 21,800. And no surprises here, the trigger was US President Donald Trump's shocking tariff move. It wasn't just India feeling the heat. The Nasdaq Composite lost nearly 6%, officially entering bear market territory for the first time since 2022. Other Asian markets, Japan, South Korea, also slid sharply. So, are we heading into a more erratic, volatile phase? Let's break down what brokerages are saying. Nomura is calling this a risk-negative shock for Asian equities, warning that a US slowdown could spill over globally. Macquarie says the situation is worse than expected, with US tariffs likely to settle around 20 to 25%, up from just 3% a few years ago. Kotak Institutional Equities is sounding cautious, saying rising uncertainty could hit stock valuations and prompt a shift towards a more conservative investing. Axis Bank takes a broader view, warning this might mark the beginning of the end of multilateralism, with major implications for global capital flows. And Emkay Global believes the full impact still hasn't been priced in. They have pushed their Nifty target of 26,000 from December 2025 to March 2026, citing possible earnings downgrades in sectors like metals and tech. Still, not all is doom and gloom. Some analysts are pointing to bright spots. Thanks to the RBI's liquidity support, financials, especially NBFCs, could stay resilient despite the global sell-off. Well, this isn't just a market story. These tariffs are forcing a serious rethink on growth and policy strategy. Morgan Stanley expects India's GDP growth to take a 30 to 60 basis point hit and says the RBI might now go deeper into a rate cut cycle. Barclays is expecting up to 3 rate cuts this year. Meanwhile, HSBC thinks this disruption could actually accelerate key reforms like FTA liberalization and new trade deals. Globally, the warning lights are flashing. JP Morgan has hiked its US recession odds to 60%, citing falling business confidence and supply chain shocks. Goldman Sachs, S&P Global, Barclays, UBS, they have all slashed stock targets, raised recession probabilities, and now see more Fed rate cuts ahead. Some, like Citigroup and UBS, are predicting rate cuts up to 125 basis points by the end of the year. Yes, markets are rattled. But India has shown resilience before. With a strong domestic demand story and a proactive policy setup, analysts say India could still outperform peers, even in a messy global environment. That said, volatility is here to stay. And now the message from brokerages is clear. Brace for turbulence, but keep your eyes open for hidden opportunities in resilient sectors and shifting trade patterns. Stay with Business Standard for more sharp insights and updates as this market story unfolds.